do you understand who has got more power in a negotiation? My name is Giuseppe Conti. I'm a business school professor and the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. When we look at power in negotiation, there are a number of factors that have an impact. Some of the most common ones you're probably familiar with are knowledge, preparation, willingness to take risk, sense of urgency. Do you need to close the deal quickly or not? The dependency between the two parties, the skills of the negotiators. Now, if you wanna have a quick formula to evaluate the power in negotiation, I suggest you to ask yourself a couple of questions. One is, which is the strengths of the partners of the two parties? Remember, the partner best alternative to a negotiated agreement is what you're gonna do if you're not able to close this deal. And then you have to evaluate also the partner of the other party and see what is the relative strength. A second factor that you want to take into account is who has the most to lose if you're not able to reach an agreement. Once you have evaluated those two elements, I suggest you to do two things. One is to change the situation, or at least the other party's perception of the situation, so that you have less to lose and they have more to lose. A second thing that I encourage you to think is that you have more power than you think. Since we know all the limitations on our side, but not the limitations on the other side, then we have a tendency to underestimate our power. For more insight on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.